Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you someone that always needs to have your coffee no matter where you are? I am, and so I love this little portable coffee and espresso maker from Staresso. This little portable coffee maker runs entirely just on your power. Let's look at it up close so you can see how it works.
This entire unit is really well made. All of the pieces feel really durable. The borosilicate glass shot glass at the bottom is very thick. It also includes a portafilter and an adapter so that you could use Nespresso pods if you don't want to use your ground espresso. It has that shower screen there, and as you can see at the top here is where the water goes, and then the very top button is where all of the magic happens. So after you put your water in and your ground coffee, you actually just use your hand power and you'll pressurize the water and the air in the top and it will push the espresso through. Voila, you get beautiful espresso. It comes out really rich and well flavored, even with crema on top, and this can be made hot or cold.
If you are a camper or a road traveler or hiker, or if you need something extra in the office, then you need to go with this little espresso maker. I love that it also has the Nespresso pod capability, and so you always have the ability to be able to have your coffee with you. It makes quality coffee that even has the crema on top, so you will be super happy and not have to go with anything but the coffee that you want. And that's my point of view.